Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off maintenance mode in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar and then click on enter, and after that you have to simply put in your login credentials there. And once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to the home page like this, and then you have to simply navigate to the settings option from the left hand side like this. You have to just simply put your cursor there and it will give lots of options from here, and from here you have to just simply click on the hosting features in the below option here. Once you click on the hosting feature, it will simply take you to this website and this place where you will get all the options of editing your website. So let's say I would like to edit my test website like this, and so you have to just simply click on the settings tab in the top navigation bar like this. Here you can see, just simply click on the settings option from here. Once you're in the settings option, you have to navigate to the site visibility like this. Here in the general settings, you will get the option of site visibility, and from here you have to just simply choose the public option from here. Also there are option of coming soon private, so let's go for the public option from here. And once you go for the public option from here, it will show something like this, and here you will get the option of discourage search engines from indexing this site, prevent third-party sharing for testaccount.wordpress.com. And here you can see you can just select it according to your preferences, and also you can go for the private as well. Then you have to just simply click on the save option again. So after that it will simply upgrade your maintenance mode from private mode to public mode. So now it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.